any part of the world. Not a SAF meet. Not a SAF meet. We're now looking at the start of one more event. This is the 5,000 meters for the men, which has just got underway. The meet record is S. Singh at Kochi, 14 minutes 10.77. We still continue to talk with MD Valsalma out here. In the lead at this point is Mohit Chaudhary, the under 20, 14 minutes 09.71 meet record at Bhubaneswar. And then we also have Prince Kumar from Saharanpur in India. Prince Kumar, a gold in Ranchi at this very ground. He won the 10,000 meters. That's Mohit Chaudhary, and along with him is Prince Kumar. It'll go on for a long, long time, and also gives me an opportunity to talk to MD Valsama. The lead in the very beginning, a different strategy. So it will be between these two.
These two.
Mohit Chaudhary, I saw a lot of him. We were live on the AFI channel when he won the gold in the 10,000 meters. Also have gold in Ranchi, All India Police Meet, the 5 kilometers as well.
Oh,
Well, amazing strategy here for
Yes,
these
yes.
two.
these two are dominating, I think.
So, I asked you this question. Unlike the 100, the 200, and the 400, the 5,000, with the temperatures now dipping a little bit in Ranchi, ideal for the 5,000 meters?
Yes, sir, ideal for the 5,000 meters and 10,000 meters, yes.
So, the two are pulling away. This combination of the two Indians, the field out here in the men, Vikraj Waksan of Sri Lanka, Ganesh Rawat of Nepal, Dichan Ugyan of Bhutan, Mukesh Bahadurpal of Nepal, the two Indians, Prince Kumar and Mohit Chaudhary, Amin of Bangladesh, and Gwawa Zangpo of Bhutan. 8 of them started off. None of the others, MD, are seen on their picture frame. Only
Yes,
these two.
These two.
The others are now coming in. This, I suspect, will be 1 and 2 for the Indians.
Yes, sir.
So looks as if the first gold medal. Here is the other Indian, 185, Prince Kumar of Saharanpur, representing India.
First one is leading.
Now moving ahead. You got to have a different strategy. You start off with, was there any particular reason why you took to the 400 hurdles as a specialty? In your case?
I was a 100 meters hurdler. Then I have a endurance also, and I was running 400 meters also. So I took over for my 400 meters hurdles.
Was it easy to change from the 100 hurdles to the 400 hurdles?
If the endurance is there, no problem.
No
sir. We
problem.
can,
That's right.
Because every relay, 400 meters we are running, 200 meters we are running.
Now look at this.